bakit napakarami yung gano'n yan? Nung tobal pa sa shit. Kaya kasi sa oras si Joel, gagawa lang wala yan. Kukunin ka lang, ano? Yung parang... 1, 2, 3, let's go!
First down Swift. Bounced out with 8 seconds to go.
8 seconds. Talo pa.
Maybe the 49. The next time in this territory. Handoff. Swift. Lifted outside. Thrown back. Trailing throughout. Caleb Williams and the Bears. He's going to keep it. And he's going to be stripping free. And listen to Washington roar. Vince looking right. Plays the end zone.
Oh! Lag! Lag!
One-on-one here. You want to throw it? Go ahead. Put everybody in here. Getting longer by the second. They're going to be back at the 30-yard line. Now you can step into it. Here comes the Hail Mary with the game on the line. It's a miracle. It's Devin Brown. Oh, my goodness. This town is going crazy. It's a madhouse in Landover, Maryland. He did it.
Wow.
Brandon Smith! Wala na!
Wow.
Replay, I want to see the replay. It was a good throw though.